Sauce. The word sauce is a French word that means a relish to make our food more appetizing. Sauce is a liquid, cream, or semi-solid food, served on or used in preparing other foods. Sauces provide flavor, moisture, and a contrast in texture and gives color to the food. In this video we're going to see about what are the importance of sauces and 5 mother sauce recipes. It's going to be very interesting, so watch the video till the end. Let's see the importance of sauce in food preparation. Sauces enhance the flavors to dishes. Some sauces helps in digestion. Example like mint sauce, apple sauce goes with roast pork and act as a digestive. Sauces gives moistness to the food. Example like white sauces add creaminess to the dry food. Sauces are served as an accompaniments for many food dishes. Example, roast turkey served with cranberry sauce which gives contrast taste to the food. Sauces enhances the nutritional value of the dish. Let's see the 5 mother sauce recipes in details. 1. Bechamel sauce. The creamy white sauce was introduced to France in 1533 by the chefs of Catherina de Medici, who works for the wife of Henry II. The French term for this medium-thick white sauce is called as bechamel. Bechamel sauce is a sauce traditionally made from a white roux. Roux means butter and flour in a 1:1 ratio mixture. Let's see the ingredients to make 1 liter of bechamel sauce. 90 grams of flour, 90 grams of butter, 1 liter of milk, 1 onion studded with cloves and bay leaf, salt, to taste, ground white pepper, to taste as well. Preparation method. Boil the milk with studded onion first. Add the pinch of salt and pepper and keep aside. Take a saucepan and melt the butter. Add the flour, stir and cook the roux over a gentle fire without coloring, till it gets sandy texture. Pour the milk into the roux and stir with wooden spoon to avoid lumps. Simmer gently, half an hour with all ingredients. Remove the studded onion and pass through a fine strainer, to get the bechamel sauce. 2. Velouté sauce. Velouté comes from velours, the French word for velvet. Veloute is a savory sauce that is made from a blonde roux which is light brown colored roux and a light stock. Let's see the ingredients to make 1 liter of velouté sauce. 90 grams of flour, 90 grams of butter, 1 liter of stock. It can be chicken or veal or fish as per the choice of sauce making. 25 grams of mushroom trimmings. Preparation method. First make a blonde roux in the saucepan. Then add the cold stock into the roux, stir vigorously to avoid lumps formation. Add mushroom trimmings into it. Simmer the ranger for 1 hour, stir frequently with a wooden spoon. Fine strain it to get the velouté sauce. 3. Espagnol sauce. Sauce Espagnol is a basic brown sauce that originated in Spain in the late 19th century. It is made from brown roux and brown stock. Traditionally, Espagnol sauce is served with red meat. Let's see the ingredients to make 1 liter of Espagnol sauce. 70 grams of flour, 60 grams of fat, 30 grams of tomato puree, 1.25 liter of brown stock, 15 grams of fat, 70 grams of roughly chopped carrot, 70 grams of roughly chopped onions, 30 grams of fine chopped bacon trimmings, 3 grams of parsley, celery and bay leaves. Preparation method. First prepare brown roux in a saucepan and keep aside. Add tomato puree and stir well to avoid lumps. Add the brown stock and blend well and cook in slow fire. Sauté the vegetable and greens in fat and add it on the saucepan. Simmer it for 4 to 6 hours. After that, fine strain it to get Espagnol sauce. 4. Hollandaise sauce. Hollandaise sauce was first born in France, and was originally known as saucisini, named after a small town in Normandy famous for its butter and cream. It is warm yellow and rich sauce. It contains a high percentage of fat and egg yolks. It is an emulsion of butter, lemon juice and egg yolks. Let's see the ingredients to make 500 grams of Hollandaise sauce. 500 grams of butter, 5 pieces of egg yolks, 8 pieces of crushed peppercorns, 30 milliliters of vinegar. 2 tablespoon lemon juice. Preparation method. First, melt the butter in a saucepan and keep aside. Add the egg yolks, lemon juice, vinegar, salt and cayenne pepper into a high-powered blender and blend for 5 seconds until combined. With the blender running on medium-high, slowly stream in the hot butter into the mixture until it's emulsified. Pour the Hollandaise sauce into a small bowl, and serve while warm. 5. Tomato sauce. Tomato sauce origins from Mexico. It is a red kitchen sauce mainly served with ravioli or spaghetti, eggs, fish and meat. Tomato sauce adds color to the dishes. Let's see the ingredients to make 1 liter of tomato sauce. 80 grams of flour, 70 grams of butter, 40 grams of roughly chopped onions, 80 grams of roughly chopped carrots, 40 grams of roughly chopped celery, half piece of bay leaf, 1 crushed garlic, 100 grams of tomato puree, 50 grams of chopped tomato, 450 milliliters of brown stock, 10 grams of sugar, 3 grams of salt. Preparation method. Use the saucepan to melt the butter and add flour to bring to slightly brown color roux. Sauté the vegetables, bay leaf, crushed garlic till it gets brown and add it with the roux. Add tomato puree and chopped tomatoes and stir well. Add the cold stock, stir it properly to avoid lumps and bring it to boil. Cook for 1.5 hours by adding seasoning with low fire. Fine strain and use the tomato sauce. I believe these information about sauces and mother sauces recipes will be helpful at your work. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to watch more video like this, subscribe my channel Hospitality Doodle and click the notification bell to get all my video updates.